this video, you will learn how to use Notepad. Firstly, I will tell you how to open Notepad in Windows 10. Its name is Taskbar. Okay, its name is Taskbar. It is our start button. It is our start button. Click on start button. You can use sliders. We will get the option Windows Accessory, but in Windows 7 there is a single name accessory. Then click on arrow, click on Notepad. It is a first way to open Notepad. Now I will tell you second way. Click in your search box, right here Notepad. When you will start writing, you will be suggested by it. Click on Notepad. You can see the interface. You can see the top of a Notepad. In top bar they have Notepad. We can say title bar. Okay, top bar name is title bar, and it is having three buttons or three options, we can say. First one, this one is minimize sign, this maximize, this one is close. So firstly I will tell you what is the work of it. You can hide your notepad by clicking on minimize button. Here you can see a one icon, click on it to open. Second one is maximize. You can see my notepad, it is coming on half window, but whenever you want to set it on full screen, you need to click on maximize. Okay, you can restore down by clicking on same option. Then last option is close button. Imagine आप अपना सारा काम कर चुके हो, finally you wanna close it, so click on close button. Let me clear by one example. जब आप किसी सब्जेक्ट का होमवर्क कर रहे होते हो, आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग आप हमेशा नोटबुक क्लोज कर देते हो. इट इज सेम थिंग. You know how to open? Just click on this box. Here Notepad, press enter. Bar. Title bar always suggests. Title bar is a horizontal bar located at the top of a window. In a GUI, the name it displays the title of the software, name of the current document. You can see here untitled. It is mean we haven't given any title up to now. From it you can easily judge we have opened Notepad. This is your cursor. Maybe you are able to see one line. It is your cursor. You can write only with the help of cursor. Without cursor we can't write anywhere. Suppose your cursor is here, you can write only here. If you want to write downside, you need to press enter button to go down. Word wrap breaks line between words to adjust them within specified margins. जब हम वर्ड रैप पर क्लिक करते हैं हमारा सारा टेक्स्ट सिंगल विंडो में दिखाई देने लग जाता है। Font. You can see a one dialog box here. You can see one option is there, font. With this we can easily judge what its work. You can scroll down. These are font, different like your hand. So in computer we can easily choose different handwriting. You can choose according to you. Suppose I am selecting this. After this we having a font style option. Regular, oblique. Regular it is means simple. Oblique it is like slant. Bold it is darker text and it will also like emphasize text. Bold and oblique it is mean both option, oblique and bold. Here is the option size. You can choose any size according to your choice. Then okay, you can see the effect of size. If you want to increase the size of your font, you can do from here. So I have selected 72. You can see the effect now. We can set according to our visibility.
रुको रुको रुको, कहाँ भाग रही हो? अभी तो टर्न है हमारे होमवर्क की।
इसको पकड़ के स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो, कहीं भाग ना जाए ये होमवर्क।